Hello YouTube, I had some free time today due to lockdown, so I decided to open up my Kicker KX 800.1 amplifier. It's monoblock amplifier, 800 watt RMS at 2 ohms. Underrated, as you know, this is American stuff. This is illumination light. Actually, it works with this tiny LED on both of the side. Let's come to the point. This amp is heavy. This one has subsonic filter and bass boost, which I never recommend to use. Okay, and low pass filter. This subsonic filter is very important, and this also has one tuning port. I have never used it, but it is for some special purpose, I guess. So this amplifier is bit costly, and here you can see why it is so. As you can see, the build quality is amazing. All the parts used are very premium. Purposefully I am making this 4K video so that you can go through all the parts. Same 800 watt RMS Pioneer amplifier or JBL amplifier or any other normal brand will come at half of the price of this one. But the engineering and the build quality behind these Kicker, Rockford, such premium brands is very different. To my knowledge, the MOSFETs are located underneath. This is both side, dual side motherboard. I hope you can see them. Heavy heatsink. The amp is really heavy, and you will be surprised. The 1200.1, the 1200 watt RMS amplifier has same chassis. It comes in same size. Very compact and very efficient design it is. As its Kicker, you will always get higher than the rated power. This amp had bird sheet of 900 watts, more than 900. Due to premium engineering and heavy duty components, these amps are so costly, but they are built to last. These amp will easily go for decades. As you can see, this was manufactured in 2013, and I am using it from last 3 to 4 years. This is cover. These are the side plates. The only complaint I had is, you can see here, the plastic quality is not so good. I managed to fix it up by some adhesive. It broken up, and same thing happened with this one too. That's not big deal, but I had to maintain my transparency. That's why I'm showing you this. Kicker should improve the plastic quality. Those are just for show, nothing else. But still, nothing is perfect in this world. But by performance, this amp is perfect. Stay tuned. We will have